Present perfect, the most infamous tense for Croatians learning English. Forget the complicated explanations. It's so easy to get if you just remember this. If the action is finished, so you ate something, spoke to someone, wrote something, but the time that you mention in the sentence isn't finished, it's still going, then we use the present perfect. Pojela sam nešto danas. So pojela sam, gotova radnja, ali danas još traje. Znači ne može biti u past simple. Mora ići present perfect. I have eaten something today. So the action is done, past tense, but the time that you mentioned, today, is still in progress. That makes it present perfect. Use have or has and then the past participle. To je treći stup glagola. Bila sam na plaži 3 puta ovaj tjedan. Znači odlazak na plažu je gotov, ali ovaj tjedan još traje. Present perfect. I have been to the beach 3 times this week. Follow us for the next video, more examples of when to use present perfect.